ahead.
As usual, I have mapped out the points of interest to create our own walking tour.
It would be very nice, yeah? Probably ask more for 2 floors.
We are in Chania, and our first stop at the Bucazza shop, it's closed because we came late. And the second stop was the market, but it's under renovation, so
very
it's
sad.
temporarily closed as well. So now we're going in the street that's known for the leather products.
Yeah, but show them sort of how it looks from here. I think once it's done, this is gonna be like amazing.
Yes. Just finished the leather street, lots of leather products. Now we're going to make our way to the port through the main street.
What port?
We needed some soft, fresh ice cream. You can't go wrong with Italian ice cream, even if you're in Greece.
This fountain is where most of the merchants would gather. Imagine people arriving here from their voyages or people saying their goodbyes before they board their ships. In this side street, you will find a great example of a Cretan mansion. Today, it houses a ceramics workshop. The sales reps here were very friendly and fairy. And cute. And of course, we ended our walk at the old Venetian Harbor. The lighthouse here is Egyptian and it's considered to be the oldest existing lighthouse in Greece. We found Chania Old Town to be very charming. It seems that as the sun starts to set, the town starts to come more lively. Perhaps we need to plan a revisit to Chania and come by night. If you are planning your own trip to Crete, you can also check our Crete playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching.